You need to hear this if you're a history buff. Jamaica's rich tapestry of cultures includes an intriguing chapter about the Chinese community. After emancipation, Jamaica faced a labor crisis. Freed African descendants weren't keen on returning to plantation work. In 1854, the first group of 472 Chinese arrived from Panama. More followed from Trinidad, British Guiana, and China, reaching about 680 by 1884. Fast forward to 1930, and the Chinese population had grown to 4,000. The Jamaican government tried to control this influx with strict immigration laws, but many Chinese immigrants stayed and thrived, setting up businesses and forming the Chinese Benevolent Society. By 1954, over 1,000 Chinese-owned businesses were booming. Although many later moved to Canada and the US, their legacy remains. From business savvy to cultural gems like the Chinese lion dance, Chinese influence is woven into Jamaica's fabric. How has this shaped modern Jamaica? It's a story of resilience, integration, and cultural fusion. Out of many, one people indeed.